Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be making jewelry out of popsicle sticks and also metal business cards. And if your question is why, the answer is why not? So let's experiment and have fun. Oh, I also wanted to mention xTool is running a trade-in campaign until 16th of February, where you can trade in your open laser for an enclosed laser machine without returning your old one. I'm going to leave a link in the description box, so go and check it out if you are interested. Now let's make something.
if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you.
I just want to give a little shout out to Coconut Tasha, which is a UK-based business with stationery and clothing, and it's absolutely amazing. And it's where I got this sweater from. Natasha also has her YouTube channel, so go and check her out. She's very sweet and I'm sure you will love her videos. And that is it for today. I will see you next time. Bye!